Welcome back to Doing It with Jason. Today's quick tip is all about the router. So woodworking routers come in all different shapes and sizes. This one just so happens to be a Porter cable router, and it's one of my faves. Now, one of the most important things when using a router is safety and getting that collet on there nice and tight and easily. So over the years, I've learned to use the table. So first, lay your router on the table, set the wrench on the front collet, and then on the other collet. You want to get it into a nice little location, something like that. This might be a little too high, and then you spin around, they also give you multiple different angles, so it's kind of nice. So this looks like the sweet spot. And now with that against the table, there you go. You popped it off. Very simple, very easy. Now the same exact method works for tightening, except the opposite. This really helps ensure the bit doesn't go flying. I've seen nasty accidents with that. Now you just set that there, find your location on here, and then using the table, tighten away. Just be sure don't grab it like that and push, because if it slips, which occasionally does happen, that might give you an owie. Now another good tip when purchasing a router is buy a router that has multiple size collets. Some have 1/4 inch and only 1/4 inch, and you can never upgrade them. And some have the 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, all the varieties. It'll come in really handy when you want to buy different router bits. The two most common sizes are 1/2 inch shaft and 1/4 inch shaft. And that's one of the big reasons I like Porter cable. They come with one of each, and it's great. And you can always buy extra ones if you lose one. I've got at least 100 of them around here in the shop somewhere. Now I have a link down below in the description of the 2 Porter cable routers that I use here in my shop. And go ahead and check it out. Tell me what you think. And as always, thank you very much for watching Just the Tip. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.
Jason's tip of the day, just the tip.